Hindi mo beli bro.
Tulungan lilo mo ng paglilib. Bula eh?
Bola.
Ayo. Bula. Good to see you again.
Bola.
Bula. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Prime Minister, thank you for accepting us this morning.
Thank you.
Here to present on behalf of the Insurance Council members
Insurance Council members.
and industry participants, the donation towards the Prime Minister's Rehabilitation Fund for the Winston
No, available.
Cyclone Rehabilitation. And I give this donation, albeit small. I hope it'll contribute to your rehabilitation works. It's a contribution by members through an internal appeal that we did. It totals 82,500.
Oh,
A number of insurance companies contributed. And this is, as you may know, above the other direct and indirect efforts and contributions they've made in their own
Thank you.
ways. Yeah. This goes with our heartfelt sympathies to those that were affected and those that lost their loved ones. And I hope that it'll be put to use in that rehabilitation.
thank you on behalf of government and especially those that were ravaged by the storm Winston. I'd like to thank you for this very kind donation. I know it will go a long way towards helping them get back to life that they were used to. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you. China Railway
Number 5.
number 5.
Yeah.
Okay, you were doing the road in Singatoka, eh? No.
Nandi.
Nandi,
In Nandi
Nandi
Road.
Back Road.
And Shua corridor.
And Suwa Corridor.
Yes.
Okay.
And we are the company doing the seawall.
Seawall. Oh, that's right. That's right.
Yes.
So we'd
Thank
like
you.
to take this chance.
Thank you, China Railway. Thank you for your assistance,
Exact
not
same.
only for this funding, but also for helping Fiji reconstruct this road and sea.
That's our responsibility.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dah bulan. Boleh nak. Hayu man. Bola. Bola. So, ako mo din doon nakatambeleta ka nung do ka.
Sir.
Yung suso ka lang. Sa laki-laki siguro na siya. Mataas
Sir,
ako.
kita sa kelas coach nga nandito raw na basketball sir.
Oh, thank you.
Go generate sa kami na ista kung may
Ano is that competition?
Sangga minita ka na fundraise.
Oh, okay.
Top up wala na FIBA. Bueno, kung saan na susi. So nandito members kita simpla kapag na langay.
Yeah.
But, we were not-
Oh,
we
there's
were
no
not-
doubt. No doubt. A good number.
But it's
Is
for
also
the
included.
majority that's affected. And we acknowledge the personal effort you've been doing, sir.
Thank you very much.
Just a small from basketball Fiji.
Thank you. I want to thank you, Basketball Fiji and all the members for this wonderful contribution. And I know it will go a long way towards helping those that were ravaged by Winston in the last couple of weeks. Thank you. Dalam memang untuk tamu.